Hi, welcome to Supermatics Online Math. In today's math tutorial, we are going to solve this simultaneous exponential equation where we have 2 raised to power x plus y equals to 6 raised to power y as equation 1 and 3 raised to power x equals to 3 times 2 raised to power y plus 1 as equation 2. So sit back, relax, and enjoy it to the very end. Now let us start. The bases are different in this simultaneous exponential equation, so it is appropriate to use logarithms to get it solved. So we shall be taking the logarithm of both sides in both equations. And this we shall be doing one after the other. So let us start with equation 1. When we take the logarithm of equation 1, it is going to leave us with the logarithm of 2 to the power of x plus y to be equal to the logarithm of 6 raised to power y. And that by one of the laws of logarithm is going to become x plus y times log 2 on the left side and y log 6 on the right side. The left side, when we open the brackets, will be x log 2 plus y log 2, while the right side will be y log 2 times 3. We will have x log 2 plus y log 2, and on the right we have y multiplying log 2 plus log 3 using the addition law of logarithms. And this, when we open the bracket on the right hand side, we'll be left with x log 2 plus y log 2 equals to y log 2 plus y log 3. Here, y log 2, we cancel out y log 2 when we subtract it from both sides. And we will be left with x log 2 equals to y log 3. And making y the subject of the formula, when we divide both sides by log 3, we have y equals to x log 2 over log 3. We are going to call this equation 3 as formed from equation 1. Now from equation 2, taking the logarithm of both sides will give us log 3 raised to power x to be equal to log 3 times 2, which is raised to power y plus 1. And that becomes x log 3 equals to log 3 plus log 2 raised to power y plus 1, which becomes x log 3 equals to log 3 plus y plus 1 log 2. We will subtract log 3 from both sides to have x log 3 minus log 3 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have y plus 1 log 2. Then factoring log 3, we have x minus 1 log 3 and y plus 1 log 2 on the right hand side. We shall be calling this equation 4. Now we are going to substitute the value of y from equation 3 into equation 4. Equation 4 thus becomes x minus 1 log 3 equals to, in the place of y, we use x log 2 over log 3 and plus 1. Since we have y plus 1, then log 2. Using LCM, which is log 3 on the right hand side, the equation becomes x minus 1 log 3 on the left, and on the right we shall be having x log 2 plus log 3 over log 3, and that times log 2. To make the work easy and not cumbersome, let us from equation 5 use m to represent log 2 and n should represent log 3. Doing this means that equation 5 becomes x minus 1 times n is equal to x times m plus n over n, and that multiplying m, which becomes x minus 1 times n equals to m squared x plus mn over n. We then multiply through by n. This is going to make the equation to become x minus 1 n squared on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have m squared x plus mn, and that is n squared x minus n squared is equal to m squared x plus mn. Now, bringing the x together by subtracting m squared x from both sides and adding n squared to both sides, the equation becomes n squared x minus m squared x on the left, and on the right we have n squared plus mn. So that we have n squared minus m squared x, and that's equal to n into bracket n plus m on the right, and dividing both sides by n squared minus m squared, x is n times n plus m over n squared minus m squared. And with n squared minus m squared being difference of two squares, x is going to be n times n plus m, and the difference of two square factors as n minus m times n plus m, where n plus m cut themselves out, leaving us with the value of x as n over n minus m, and that is log 3 over log 3 minus log 2. If we put in the values of log 3 and log 2, with log 3 being 0.4771 over 0.4771 minus 0.3010 for log 2, this is going to be 0.4771 over 0.1761, which approximately is 2.71 to 3 significant figures. Now that we have the value of x as log 3 over log 3 minus log 2, to get the value of y, we can substitute the value of x as log 3 over log 3 minus log 2 into equation 3. Equation 3 is y equals to x log 2 over 3. So in the place of x, we put log 3 over log 3 minus log 2. That's multiplying log 2 over log 3, where log 3 cancel out to leave us with y equals to log 2 over log 3 minus log 2. And that, putting the values in, will give us 0.3010 over 0.4771 minus 0.3010. Y is going to be 0.3010 over 0.1761, which is approximately 1.71 to 3 significant figures. Therefore, the solutions will be x equals to 2.71 and y is 1.71. We believe you have enjoyed this math tutorial. If you have any questions, comments, recommendations, feel free to leave it in the comment box. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do so now and ensure you click on the notification bell to get timely updates about our activities and math tutorials. Like the video and share it. Bye.